What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel, and today, like I said, I don't think I've mentioned this, but we got a skirmish, and I feel be great if we could use this because I can also talk about some of the changes that is. I think I don't think I've tried this, but there are some changes. Like I said, my Demeter video, and those changes I'm hoping have been implemented. Oh my god, I just wasted my shot. I hope they have been implemented into the robots presently here. Not all of them, but most of them. My cannon simplifies. I'm gonna sit down. And yeah, I really want to see what are the changes that have been made. If they're working or not. So this guy is trying to get in really close range to me. Definitely do not appreciate that. Yep, he's killing me. He's killing me. No chance here. What I can do though is give him one last shot. Oh, okay. You know what? Make me feel better. Oh, whoa, whoa, that's a little too loud. Okay, so we got some music on. Just make the mood a little better. I hope that isn't too loud. Let's keep it. Yeah. Uh, I'm still experimenting with this music, so it takes some time for me to get used to it. So do forgive me about that, guys. I really have another system here, so I get I can give you the music that's likely that'll entertain, make the game more interesting. Okay, let's get this guy. Yep, we got him. I don't know, I'm feeling this a little too loud, so I'm gonna reduce it by a little, so you also hear me playing and my commentary on it. So this is actually a pretty interesting hanger. I don't think much changes have been to the Ravana, but Hawks and I guess the Hawks don't have, not completely, it doesn't have 100% resistance on it. Or like Titan wise, they can do a lot of damage, but to normal bots which have resistance, I don't think there are much resistance bots at the moment. But if there were, okay, we got an intruder here. So trying to drop him down because he is going to go for our beacon, and we have a defenseless person there. So, oh, you don't get that beacon. Oh, I'm too late. I wasn't fast enough. This is one thing about this. Okay, let's see if we can find the. We got this. My targeting system is not helping me hit the guys right in front of me, but definitely won't. They really want me, but I'm keeping myself up, keeping my abilities ready, so I survive longer than I could. Oh, I just wasted a shot. I made him waste a shot. Trying to go around him so he loses targeting. Yeah, we're taking out some real people, man. Yeah, the music keeping me up. Look at the beacon progress. Yeah, that's more like it. That's what happens when Swift Dude plays. I'm not able to target the guy right in front of me, but now I am. Haven't gotten a kill. I don't think we have. Trying to go through that because oh no, I don't want to face that. I really don't want to go through that treatment. So I'm trying to. I did use all my abilities, but I think it was worth it staying alive. Being able to stay alive is more important, I guess. And I'm trying to get past this hawk. Oh, I just outsmarted him big time. Oh, now I don't. Okay, we got some team support though, and look at that. 3 minutes into my video and we have already won a match. That is extreme team play. I love it. Anyway, so far this thing seems to be pretty interesting. 3 beacons, not many kills, but 3 kills. I mean 3 beacons. I feel it's pretty good. I think I'm going to play 2 more or 1 more. See how this one goes because it's a really interesting one. I like it. It doesn't seem boring, but we have used the Jaeger and the Ravana, so let's use the Scorpion ourselves. Definitely I don't want to make any dumb decisions. I tried playing this once and I made a very dumb decision, so I'm not going to try not to repeat that. By the way, guys, you know what, take this time until the action comes in. Take this time to go down, scroll down and subscribe to this channel. Appreciate you all for helping me get to 400 views on a video. That is like big number, big. So that really made me happy. Like that day was the best day of my life. So I'm really happy you guys decided to subscribe to my channel. So jumping on him, probably giving him some hit. as he takes his flight. Help this guy out. And yeah, I think I've done enough. Definitely need this beacon, so gonna go there and get the beacon, and probably if possible get some heal up from this guy in time. Yep, that's enough. Why we use the module? Probably need it a little later. Okay, we have this incoming. Oh, he's landing in a very wrong area. Okay, we giving him some. Oh, we're not in range. Well, I'm about to get in range, but I'm right behind you, son. You better get. Bam, bam, bam. Oh, a double kill already. Okay, I'm trying. Okay, I don't need to go back. Simply going back is not very unnecessary to go back right now. So if he can get close enough, I can do some damage. But if he's at that range, not much I can do. Oh, my God. This guy jumps on me as soon as possible. That did not see that coming. Okay. Didn't use a hawk, so we're gonna use that now. I am really sorry if the music is too loud. I really don't know. I am testing it out. Like I said before, I'm testing a lot of things with this music and all. So I apologize for that, but I'm trying my best. Get best content, entertaining content for you, all of you guys who I really love a lot. So we took care of the Scorpion. This guy should not get another flight. Yep, we got him. This guy is just sad. This guy just spawned, bro. I'm already hammering it with the hawk. Okay, now I need to go in cover. Oh, that hawk is unfortunate. He's in plain sight. And I got a good hit too. Okay, we got to get that hawk as soon as possible. Oh, I tried to help him out, but I couldn't prevent his death. But I will have to get rid of the... he's trying to distract us, but I will try and get the hawk. He's a very important target at this point. Godlike. We got a godlike. Oh, we got really big problem. Actually, this guy... I tried. It's no chance because the shotgun damage is it's good, very strong. And again, look, almost like 3 minutes each match. We are like acing this. Oh yeah, feel good. Let's see this time. I guess we did more. Yeah, we are top 7 kills. And still 3 beacons. And we got some good people in that one. So I feel it's pretty good. I guess this video is going to be pretty short because I'm already done with my second match and not even 10 minutes are over. Now this is... I was thinking of putting it to the title as a new skirmish. But now I think I might have to change it to... I don't know. I don't know how to say that. How would you say that? Anyway, let's, like a very fast... skilled team or something like that. Anyway, I'll keep my distance. Being a sniper, I have to do that. And this is team deathmatch, and doesn't seem like people care much. Let's see if I can break through his resistance. This ignores resistance. Oh, it's resistance ignoring weapons, but not fully ignored his resistance there. But did give him a good punch. Can't get him there. Wait, this guy is so vulnerable. Poof. Oh, that wasn't a lot, but for a person standing out there in the open, he got a... Oh, that late reacted, but it hit him damn well. Okay, this guy is out in the open, definitely wanted... Oh, come on, why does my shots keep on getting blocked? I hate it when that happens. It's so annoying. Take probably some time for the music, but just wait for it. Yo, the cannon, he can't block. My God, I hate these ads, man. This is not what I want to do. You know what? I'm gonna switch these off because the ads is gonna spoil my mood now. If we can, probably put some replay something. Yeah, that'll be better. No, wait. Poof. Oh, he really took a beating, bro. Took a very good beating. Okay, the next guy with cannon and bam. Oh, that's like an uppercut. a big, strong uppercut, and that you'll never want to recover from. Okay, that guy didn't take a hit for some reason. Oh, this guy is so unfortunate. Boom. Oh, not much of a hit because I don't have the. Oh, the cannon mixed with. Oh, this guy actually came all the way because I was sniping many people out. Good, good. He's doing a good job at what he's supposed to do for a team. So I'm gonna actually go a little down so when someone goes up, I have some. Don't say I'm stuck like this now. Oh no, 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 no! I don't want that to happen. Oh, there's this bug when you get stuck with the Jaeger, you get this forever stuck kind of thing. So I didn't want that to happen. Oh, this guy's gonna get hit. Boom! Oh! That was not even with overdrive. I need overdrive now. I'm begging you guys. That was good. That was good. That was okay. Come out and you're dead. We're not getting a kill. My god. That was perfectly timed and I didn't get a kill. I'm not getting overdrive. No one is activating my overdrive. Well, this guy definitely wants to get a little too close. Boom. And cannon fire. Boom. That should be a kill. No, that's not a kill. My god. He is in this. None of them are getting killed. Okay, we seem to be in the lead. Boom. Of course, he can dodge that. It's not like I have 800 meters range. And he was definitely in that 800 meters range. Okay, let's get some other people, man. Come on, guys. Let's go and play. Oh, this is unfortunate. Whoa, what was that? What was that? Come on, man. Gotta be a little more than that. What was that? Okay, let's get this guy then with our cannon if possible. Wait, we got the scorpion in sight. And poof! Yes! Our first kill! Woo! Our first kill with this thing, man. And I'm still alive for some reason. Been alive for 4 minutes straight. Let's see if we can get him in the air. Oh, just a little bit ill-timed. Oh, we got a hawk in the air. Let's see if we can ignore his resistance. And boom. That was... Oh, it took a toll on me also. But my overdrive needs to be active, so... Oh, he's packing. He's getting hit well out there. And my overdrive is active means a big one. Boom. Oh. Oh man, that is so bam. Okay, I didn't get hit in that well, but cannon, poof. He's healing up though. He's healing up. That's one thing. And I'm not overdrive yet. I still don't have overdrive. Nice. Come on, you jump on one more person. I'm killing you, man. Okay, I'm kind of getting bored of this. Let's go into the scorpion ourselves. Just get some scorpion fun in here. Because, scorpion. Come on, man. Let's see if we can get both of them. Alright. It's challenge accepted, guys. Let's see if we can get both of them. Definitely cannot get both of them now. But I do have something in store for one of these guys. I don't know how to risk anything, so I'm teleporting back, so I have cover now. Wait, I can hit this guy. Oh, with that jump I could. Boom, bam, 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 bam. Kill. Come on, teleport. Oh, bad spawn, horrible spawn. 2 Jaegers snacked. Bam. I'm not getting much kills though in this one. I might have done some damage, but no kills on this one. I guess that's a match ended and it's just 14 minutes into the video. Wow, man. Wow. This is just sad at the same time. Sad at the same time because we just deleted the enemy. Let's see how much damage we did, and yeah, probably gonna be good. I hope. Ah man, I'm not even close to 1 million. 700,000 is... I could have done better. But anyway, let's see. This is some new guy in front. 1 million damage done from this guy. Probably because we did the sniping. Sniping is a little hard to get kills. Let's just do one more match. Let's see if we can do this before 6 minutes. I usually don't like my videos to be 20 minutes long. So let's try and finish in this in 17 minutes or 18 minutes max. I'll try my best. pretty hard though, since that much time is a very hard thing. I don't think I'm going to play the same music again, but let's try this one. This one is going to be better than the others. I want to reduce the volume by a little. I don't want to play the same music. It takes some time for me to set up music. 1 minute. You know, like I think you might remember why it takes time for me. So let me just do that. Okay. So we got some scorpions. I don't want to be the first one to jump on him. I want him to jump on someone. So I will try my best to do something. I hate the ads. I really hate the ads. I don't know if this is the same song, but definitely did not do that on purpose. Whoa, whoa, whoa! I'm getting so much damage. Whoa, whoa! Teleport back. Oh, okay, that was very risky. I should not do that kind of stuff. And these, my god, that guy has time to hit me and me only, man. And this low health, I respect me, you dumb fellow. And of course, you know what? I'm not going to raise anything, but this is really annoying when this happens. Okay, you know what? You want to have some fun, right? Come on, come out, you little brats. You overdrive activating beast. Activate my overdrive. Little brat. Yeah, that's how you mess. You don't want to mess with this guy. Why'd you do that, huh? Die. Next guy. Boom. He's living for too long. Something's wrong. How is he alive? Oh, the lags. Oh, okay, now I get it. Okay, beacons, they're thrashing us up. Okay, I guess this is my end. Nope, this is not gonna be my end. Nope, this is definitely gonna be my end. I tried to stay long, but this one is gonna be good. The enemy is thrashing us this time. And 6 minutes, I'm sorry about that, but let's... Do they really want to get personal with me? Oh, I tried to block that shot. Did not work, but he removed his shield and he is taking damage. Let's go. Me and trying to imitate songs. Boof. Boof. I can ignore some resistance, so I'm trying to whoa, whoa, whoa. Sorry, that was boom. Oh, the damage it just took. I don't think we can. There's no chance of winning this one, but I'll try my best. Poof. Oh man, the damage he just took. Okay, guys, that's all I have for you guys. But hello, all you guys. If you love this video, then definitely subscribe to my channel and let's see how much damage we did. And I'll see you in my next video.